What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I'll let them come back with another video. Hey, man, look, before the video even gets started, man, make sure y'all go follow at Up Next Lifestyle. Make sure y'all get y'all satin line beanies at Up Next Lifestyle. Y'all see it on the screen right now. We sold out. We sold out of one color. You know what I'm saying? Almost two colors. So make sure y'all go shop. Make sure y'all go cop. Like I said, almost two colors. So out of the red, we got one more left. And all out of these, bro, we got two more left. So if y'all ever decide that y'all want to up next satin line beanie with color in it, now is the time. Because after this, after all the colors are sold out, we just gonna stick straight to black. Alright. So if y'all ever let me pop one open for y'all, man. Y'all ain't never seen a satin line beanie. Now is the time. Look, so when you get your satin line beanie, comes out of a package. Boom. That's the inside of it. That's what you paying for, man. You paying for the quality, man. We paying to help people, man. The price ain't high for no reason. You know what I'm saying? The price ain't 55 for no reason. You feel me? But more importantly, today we are here to tell. I'm here to answer you guys questions about the dreadlocks, right? So how to start your dreadlocks. And there's plenty different ways to start your dreadlocks. But first off and foremost, if you're watching the video right now, if you wearing socks, if you're not wearing socks, hit that like button for me down below. All right, so make sure I hit that like button for me down below right now. If you took a bath, make sure you hit the like button. All right, so look, getting further into this video, if y'all got any questions, comment them down below. I will be answering all questions. All right, so don't be hesitant on your questions. Don't think anything is dumb questions. I might mess around and make a whole video about it. All right, so my DMs are also open at upnextmalyt on Instagram. So make sure y'all go catch me over there and at upnextlifestyle. So hopping straight into it. So your first thing is when you thinking about getting dreadlocks, I'm actually gonna make a video on that too. But when you thinking about getting dreadlocks, so when you want to get dreadlocks, and you like, how do I start? Like, where do I start? All right, so here are the first thing. I'm gonna share my screen like I always do with y'all. Here are the first thing. All right, so there's so many ways to start your dreadlocks. You know what I'm saying? You got the comb method. You got the crochet needle. You know what I'm saying? The straight dreads. Like, you got these. You know what I'm saying? You hit it with your crochet needle, you know what I'm saying? So you got plenty of methods on how to get dreads, how to get instant dreads, and look, it all stems from what type of dreads that's gonna decide, like, okay, what type of dreads am I gonna have? Am I gonna go for the instant dreadlocks, or am I gonna go with the comb method? What am I gonna do? It all determines from your type of hair. All right, so you got from 1 to 4C, to 1A to 4C, right? So for me, right, I have a variety of hair in my head. I got 4A through 4C. So it's easier for me to dread up my hair. Using the comb method, I could have went any row. I could have did the comb method. I could have did the crochet method. I could have hit them like these with the palm. I could have went so many ways because of my hair is like it's easy to dread up. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all, um, I'm gonna say a lot of y'all can probably do what I do. You feel me? Y'all are pretty much the same color type shit, but a lot of y'all can probably do what I do. So what you want to do is you want to go to and I'm telling y'all straight up. Right, hold on, let me start sharing my screen real quick. I'm telling y'all straight up from person to person, like a lot, like one person in the comment section, he was like, why you don't edit this video? I'm like, bro, I wanted to make it feel like we are having a natural conversation. I don't want it to make it feel like, oh, like you watching this, nah, like you're asking for information. I'm going to give you the information. Okay? You know what I'm saying? We do go crazy with the edits. We do upload many other different things on this channel. You feel what I'm saying? But when y'all come for me for information, all I gotta do is press record and we getting straight to the information. All right, so make sure y'all like the video down for that. All right, so look, but so yeah, it really all depends on your hair type, what type of hair you got, what type of look that you're going for. So that's another thing is going like, you know. But look, let me tell y'all something, bro. We not doing this. Hold up. We not doing the instant dreads. All right, we not doing the instant dreads. Um, I know that's how a lot of y'all gotta get y'all hair done. Where you take the needle and you just start poking it and your dreads come out really straight. We not doing that. You know what I'm saying? We not doing that. And the reason I say that is because I don't like the way that look. Now, if you have to, now if you gotta do that, if you that's the only way your hair gonna get really dreaded up, then I mean you gotta do what you gotta do. But that just a little joke I like. First off, I don't like the way it would look on me personally. It wouldn't look very well on me. Uh, I got the best option for me. You know what I'm saying? The comb method. I know y'all. A lot of y'all ain't even really seen my dreads like that because it's been in this up next satin line beanie. But one day we're gonna do a reveal. All right, so I'm gonna have y'all on that. You know what I'm saying? But any type of questions, man, make sure I post them in the comment section down below. Um, this is like 3 or 4 ways. I'm pretty sure you can go on Google right now and type in like I know Great Locks. He got like 7 ways to make dreadlocks. You know what I'm saying? All you really need, I'm telling y'all niggas the top 3, 4. You feel me? So you don't really need too much. You just want to know what look you going for, and then you want to go from there. You know what I'm saying? So if you go say for instance if you go for a John Morant look, you're gonna go with the comb. You know what I'm saying? I don't really know who really got the instant dreadlocks. I don't know who got the instant dreadlocks, but with the crochet needle, whatever y'all call them, I don't even use it. All right, so I don't like. But anyways, man, make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button if you new, turn on post notifications. Don't forget, man. Go shop, man. The sold out brand Up Next Lifestyle at Up Next Lifestyle on Instagram. Go copy you a satin line beanie, man. You know what I'm saying? Go. You up next, man. Go copy you a up next satin line beanie. All right. On Instagram at Up Next Lifestyle. You feel me? I'm gonna catch y'all folks later though. Y'all already know though. We gotta wait till the 8-minute mark in the end of the video. Y'all already know what's going on. All right. Don't worry though, cause I'm about to post hella more videos for y'all. All right. So we're gonna be on this. We're going to be on it like this, all right? So make sure y'all stay tuned. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications because we are going to be on our uploading grind, all right?